Come on in! Welcome to our new apartment. We did a lot of renovation to this place, so this place looks nothing like the video I showed you before. The two major improvements that we did is the flooring and the ceiling. First of all, we want the lighting to be tucked in the ceiling and we want warmer light. It's also convenient for filming YouTube videos like this, so we don't have to do extra lighting, but it's also bright enough for everyday living. The second major thing that we did is the flooring. So the flooring that we use is SPC. It's a combination of stone and plastic. It actually doesn't have any wood in it. And it's also is the most durable material in the market right now. Another major renovation that we did to this place is we knocked down the second bedroom wall down so we can turn it into our gaming corner because we don't actually use the second bedroom anyway, so we decided to do that. Okay, enough chit chat. Let's get into the apartment tour, shall we? When you come into this apartment, the first thing you're going to see is this shoe rack or shoe cabinet. I think it's cabinet. But it's not only for cabinet for shoes. It's also store lots of miscellaneous things like mask. It's Corona time, baby. We need mask and tools and my fish supplies and random things and shoes. On top of it, we have Bebe. Look at her go. What is this? This is our chupang. It's our betta fish. And this is the other miscellaneous thing. So when you come in, you can take off your shoes and put your stuffs away. And the most important thing in this apartment, our refrigerator. This refrigerator is my dream. It's slim, it's enough for 2 people. It has quite a big freezer, so we can store lots of meat in here. And beside it, we have our kitchen. We have this custom made because we want a lot of storage in here. Kitchen is one of the most important things for me because we do a lot of cooking. All the buttons here controlling different things. Like this one control this light. And the second button here controls the power that goes into our appliances here. We actually can pull this drawer out when we use it. So because some of these appliances does have steam come out when we uses it. Like this is our air fryer, this is our coffee machine, this is our rice cooker. They all produce steam. And on the back, we also have our ice cream machine and a blender, but we don't use it often, so we tuck it in the back. And on the upper shelf, we also have our microwave. So it's all tucked in nicely. And the third button is controlling the electricity that goes into this washing machine. This is our food storage, like dry food storage. I do use a lot of bowl jars and IKEA jars for this cabinet because it can store things for longer. I do label most of this stuff so I can remember what's in it. Okay, in this cabinet we have our condiment and coffee and stuff. And here, this is where I store my oven This is the small oven we have, but it's enough because I don't bake much. Upper shelves, we have our bread maker and bigger pan because we cannot fit it into other shelves. I haven't tell you about the storage below the oven. We actually wanted a bigger storage room because we don't actually have a storage room. So here we have our vacuum cleaner, our plastic thingy, I don't know. So this is a plastic bag holder, and here's my bag, my husband's bag, and miscellaneous thing that's too big for other compartments. But here we also have our dispenser often, but it's convenient when we need it. I also install some basket on the door because it's convenient to put lots of small stuff, and it's tucked in. More storage up here for bigger things like our board games, my sewing kit, my another mask. We also have a compartment down here. Here's where we have a gas stove. So this is where we put the gas in. This is where I put my spices and miscellaneous stuff. I'm so proud of this labeling skill of mine. I just feel like an adult. Underneath that, we also have our rice containers. On the back there, we also have our water gallon. Here is what I'm most excited about. Ta-da! Underneath that, we also have, Underneath that, we also have our bowls, and this is baking stuff, and these are just lids. So we got it organized there. Underneath this, we also have our pans and bowls and stuff. Exciting. Underneath the sink, we have the last compartment. This is where I store water. This is for cooking only because our tap water isn't safe for consume. And on either side of the door, we also installed 4 baskets. And because our apartment is so small, we need to hang a lot of things. So in the middle of the room here, we have our dining table. This is where we do all of our chopping and cooking and meal prepping and stuff. And underneath there, we also have our snack supply. This is where we store most of our food. And this is our cooking supply. And underneath there, we also have our cleaning supply. We get this cabinet and a table and a chair. It's all from IKEA. Beside it, we have our couch and our mini table. This is where I crochet. And in front of that, we also have our TV, and this is our entertainment center. We still need to fix the stickers thingy because I don't know what happened, but it happened. But underneath here, we have lots of our gaming stuff. This is my husband's PS4, and this is where I store my Switch and games and stuff. This is our babies supply, and I mean by babies is my hedgehog. He's sleeping right now, but he's underneath there. Because we custom made the table, I decided to make the lower part of the table into our hedgehog cage. So this part is movable. This is the glass door, but mostly open it anyway because he doesn't want to come out. Let me show you. He's sleeping right now. Hey baby, you come out and play? No? Okay. So we decided to buy a 2-meter IKEA table and split it into 2. So here's my corner and and this is my husband corner. So this is my corner. If you guys can see, I have some books. This is my stationery supply. Pretty simple setup, and we have quite a sad plan right here, but he'll survive. It's okay. And from his corner, we did so much planning for his corner because he doesn't want any wiring to be visible. He still wanted to do some cable management, but I think it's looking alright, right? And if you look up from his corner, he got his Gundam collection. This is just maybe 30 to 50% of what he has in total, so he chose his favorite and put it here. I think that is it for this room. So let me show you our bedroom. So this is our bedroom. It's quite simple here. It's got our bed, of course, and underneath the bed it actually more storage room that we don't even use for now. On the head of the bed is also a storage. Okay, this is where we store bigger stuff like my violin. We also have some frames that we haven't used. And on top we also have our wedding photos. And we also intentionally put the bed closer to the windows because we do love the view from this apartment. So we try to maximize the view here. We also installed a one-sided film for this window because our neighbor kinda can see us from this side of the window, but not so much from this window. So we only installed it for this side. And we also do the ceiling for this room as similar to the outside. So this is our wardrobe. We moved this from our old house because we bought it 1 year before our wedding. And it's pretty big. It's enough for two of us. And behind the door, I actually have my collection of makeup that I rarely use actually. I don't know why do I have this much makeup. And for the compartment underneath, I have this for storing everything for our camera gear. Below it, I have my miscellaneous item like my nail kit and crafting supply. Most exciting part, look at these. I'm a yarn hoarder, you guys. For this wall, I actually wanted to turn it to gallery wall. Like I want to put everything like pictures and paintings into this wall. I actually wanted to hang this too, but I haven't found the nail for mounting them, so it's my future project, I guess. I haven't shown you our bathroom yet, right? So let's go. So this is our bathroom, but the exhaust fan is actually quite loud, so bear with me, okay? Our bathroom is quite small, but we got anything that we need in the bathroom, like this mirror, and then we got a sink right here, and underneath that we also have our laundry basket, our toilet here, and behind the toilet I actually mount everything that we need to clean our bathroom, so everything is where it should be. And we also have this towel rack. Yeah, towel rack. And the main attraction, of course, is our rain shower head. I'm so proud of this. This is the reason why my husband taking 2 showers a day. So in our balcony, we have some plants going on, but not too much. I started some seeds and I planted some succulents up there. We have some succulents going on here and some seed over here and here. The only plants that thriving is my scallions. We also dry our clothes here. We moved into this apartment 3 weeks ago and we enjoy this apartment more than we thought we would. I hope you enjoyed today's video and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!